Let's go, buddy. Let's go, Balaki. Good job. Super duper late, but good job. You're home. Good morning, guys. Silvio here. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we got two races going on. We have 150 miles out of Carlisle, PA. They got released at 6:30 a.m. or 6:40, I think. 6:40. And now it's 9:40, so 3 hours on the wing. So I'm hoping they'll be here any minute. A lot of people in the combine already clocked ridiculous speeds as of over 1900 yards per minute. And the other race is 500 miles, one bird derby out of London, Ohio. I sent my 5506 in, and she won't be here until probably 6:30 p.m. So the thing is that, let me close this door. It's raining right now. It just started a little bit. I'm hoping that this doesn't delay them too much. Hopefully not. But let's see how they do, guys. Stand by. Come on. Let's go. Come on. It's my first bird, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. What are you doing up there? You never go up there. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Good job. Wasted a couple of seconds there, but good job. Good job, 5628. No water? Go for it. Good job, buddy. You did good. Where's your friends? 5628, guys, is my champion bird of old birds in 2022. South section, actually, South section champion bird. But this year he hasn't been doing all that great. But I didn't expect him to be first. I didn't pick him for board bird, but here he is. Good job, buddy. Call your girlfriend. Good job. Man, it's coming down pretty heavy now, guys. Oh, that's not a bird. Oh, it's a bird, not a pigeon. Yeah, little dropper. We got these guys out enjoying the rain, waiting for their friends to come home. Welcome, Fabry girl. There you are. Good job. I wish you'd got here earlier, but we'll take it. Good job. Drink up. Good job, Fabry or Fabry. Good job, girl. Well, still waiting on three birds. 5508 was my board bird, not here yet. And we got 5628 at 9:45, and then 225 at 10:13. Wow, almost 30 minutes later. Crazy. Oh, there you are, Balaki. Come on. Come on, Malaki. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, Malaki. Good job. Super duper late, but good job. You're home. Super late. What's the matter with you? Can't blame the rain. Not thirsty, huh? But you're hungry. Good job, you're home. Well, guys, it's 11:05 a.m. Out of the 5 birds I sent to the 150 miles, I was only able to get 3. We're meeting at the clock at 11:30, and I'm about to leave. So, yeah, guys, I was hoping to get all 5. It's really not a long distance race, but 55:08 and 5536 are not here yet. Hopefully they'll come in later today, but for now, that's it, and I'll show you the results later on. Stand by. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back at my place. I was actually at the son of my nephew's baptism, and of course I'm checking Benzing Live for my one bird derby at the 500 miles, and my bird came in second so far. I think it will hold, so let's take a look at her. 5506, where are you? There you are, girl. Great job. So proud of you. Last week you looked like you were all beat up at that race, but you recovered. And you did a phenomenal job today, girl. I know there were only 16 birds in the one bird derby, but you know what? You pulled it off with second place. Great job. Super proud of you. Yeah, you must be tired, but great job. John Manua's family bird right there. Thank you, girl. And guys, for the 150 mile, all birds arrived. You gotta go back here, go home, and even though all birds arrived, only 3 clocked. 5508 came at 11:40, and 5536 came in 12:21. But they did good as well, and this is how it looks at the club. So here we have Kevin, took first, second, third, and fourth. Good job, man. You've been doing very, very well all season long. So there were 42 birds basketed, 4 lofts, and my bird 5628, which happens to be the South Section Champion Bird of 2022, came in 5th place. So he was in the top 10%. And then my next bird was 16th, 225, my Fabry hen. And by the way, the 5628, that's a old Jensen bird, Jensen lines. But all in all, I am happy, guys. No wins, no first places, but very good performance. I'm happy. And that's it for this week, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. And flying with purpose, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.